The hard reset on YouTube that I'm about to do, y'all, let me tell you, of lately, I don't know, I've been posting videos, I have been consistent, but for some odd reason, YouTube have not been pushing my videos as much now. I've been a creator for so long, and I am noticing that even big creators, popular creators are going through the very same thing on a smaller, well, I won't say small, on a bigger level because I'm a smaller creator. But I noticed that my videos are just going down. And I watched a video the other day and I noticed that I'm not the only one that is going through this. So thank God I don't feel bad over it. But as this guy was explaining that, be careful on how we narrow down our videos and try to get our video on a more broader as opposed to narrowing things down just because the algorithm is changing. So I'm just going to test some things out because I don't really know what's going on. And usually, I mean, my content are the same. I don't switch up things. It's just been the same, but just different titles and topic, and something is happening somewhere. What I can say to you, if you're new as a creator, please don't give up. Please stick it out. Just stick through this, okay? Because sometimes YouTube have a way of doing things and you don't want to give up. Sometimes they push your views and then the next time, just all dependent. I realized that YouTube now is about interest, and what's his name again? Gary. I forgot his last name. This guy named Gary, he's a social media strategist, and he talks about it. The algorithm keeps changing and it become an interest media now where if you click something and if you click more than two of them, that's all you're going to see the whole day. More videos based on mine or whatever it is that you choose. So what I'm saying is things are just changing in the algorithm. I don't know if they're pushing out small creators again anymore. I'm just kind of mixed right now. But the whole point is I will not give up in this whole community. We're going to continue to build until we get it right. You see, that's a part of life that a lot of times when things shift, sometimes you just want to stop. But this is not the time for you to quit. This is the time to keep going or do more research or speak with other creators and explore and research and watch other videos. So to see what can help you. A lot of times we tend to want to give up too quickly. And right when things is about to pick up is when you stop. And we got to cut out those bad habits. So as you see the title here, hard reset. So what I'm about to do? Well, here's my thing. I'm about to start recreating my titles in a different way to keep it on a broad spectrum, just to see if we can get some new people coming and, observing and assess and connect and engage with me here, just to see what happens. If it doesn't work, I'll just narrow down again my topic. But we're just trying some things here because at the end of the day, we can't quit now. You can't quit now. As the motivational minister would say, you can't quit now. This is not the time to quit. So again, my friend, listen, I'm doing a hard reset. Do your own research. See if you need to do a hard reset yourself on YouTube. But let's not give up in this YouTube fight, okay? We need to continue to wake up and thrive day to day, okay? So let's continue to move forward in this YouTube street. I want to hear your thoughts on this video. Let's talk about it.